FreeTrainers is a comprehensive fitness website that provides personalized workout plans tailored to your goals, fitness level, and equipment availability. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an advanced athlete looking to shake up your routine, the site offers tools to customize your workouts and track your progress. Once you sign up, you're prompted to enter information about your fitness objectives, current physical activity level, and any equipment you have access to. The website then generates a weekly workout plan, breaking it down day by day and muscle group by muscle group. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making navigation intuitive even for those unfamiliar with online fitness platforms. One of the standout features of FreeTrainers is its database of exercises, which provides detailed descriptions and visual guides. This is especially helpful for users who may not be familiar with certain exercises or proper form. Each exercise includes muscle group targeting and recommended sets and reps, which can help users build their strength and endurance over time. However, while the exercise library is extensive, it can sometimes feel a bit outdated compared to more modern platforms that incorporate video instructions or interactive elements. Another strong point is the ability to adapt your workout plan based on feedback. For example, if a specific workout or exercise doesn't suit you, you can modify it or substitute with another exercise, ensuring the plan remains practical and aligned with your needs. However, FreeTrainers doesn't offer a mobile app, which can be a limitation for users who prefer to access their plans on the go. This is a notable downside given the increasing reliance on mobile fitness solutions. For those looking for additional community support, FreeTrainers features forums where users can share tips, ask questions, and connect with others on similar fitness journeys. This can be a motivating factor, though the forum interface feels slightly dated and lacks the seamless social integration offered by some competing platforms. In terms of cost, FreeTrainers lives up to its name. It's completely free to use, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. However, this also means there are fewer premium features, like integrated meal plans or advanced tracking tools, that other subscription-based platforms provide. Overall, FreeTrainers is a solid choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, no-frills approach to creating workout plans and tracking fitness progress. It's particularly well-suited to individuals who value simplicity and flexibility without the need for high-tech extras. Despite some minor drawbacks, it provides significant value for those looking to start or enhance their fitness routines without spending a dime. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like to support more honest reviews.